Well, hello. Welcome to Teresa's Tips from the Car. Just kidding, actually. I am in the car. I'm in the mountains. It's really cold. I'm waiting for my husband to come back down so that we can drive out, because we're not allowed to take our vehicles, and long story, just it's safer anyway. But anyway, I wanted to talk about, I did a live earlier today with my Plan with Intention group 2022, and I also did a live on my Teresa Collins studio page, and I was talking to my planner group. I have a year-long course 2022, and I was talking about like just how you have to fill up your own gas tank. You cannot allow yourself to go on empty. You cannot give what you don't have. And it's so important that you see yourself that way. Like, just like you have to refill your gas in your car, you have to, or your car is going to go, but it's not going to work, right? It's going to stop running. And so are you. So if you're not giving yourself what you need, and I say that in a physical form, but I also say that in a mental form. Like, you know, you can't be physically bankrupt, financially bankrupt, emotionally bankrupt. Those are things that are not going to serve you. You have to fill yourself. And as I was talking I did a 51 minutes live on my year-long course, and I was talking about how, like, I will look very purposely at things and for people and things that elevate me, that fill my gas tank. So one of the things someone said in the group, they're like, Teresa, thank you for, this course. I said, why did you sign up for this course? Especially a lot of you who signed up for 2021 and you're taking the course in 2022, even though it's changed. They said, not only do I love to be accountable every day and everything that you share with us, but you're a mentor to me, and you are mentoring me this year as well as last year. And it just stopped me, and I started crying. Yes, because I started thinking about it, because one of the things in the description of the class, I don't put like I'm your mentor, because I take that word very, very seriously. When you mentor someone, I feel like whether they know it or not, it can have a huge impact on someone's life. And so, one, I always want to make sure that what I'm sharing is real and authentic, and the experience I've had to make me who I am, like situations where I about died with my stroke, and surviving through after being 19 years married to a man I love and still love more than anything, and being widowed was earth-shattering for me. But I survived, and I'm still surviving, and I learned so much, and I grew through that great heartache that I still continue to share. And then I thought about the people that I feel like who have mentored me. One is Oprah Winfrey. If ever I'm having times of just needing a pick-me-up, I know that this girl is going to Google something, the topic, but it's always Oprah. Oprah, you are my mentor. And so for me, I think about, like, when I go do speaking engagements, whether it's a keynote, whether I'm on a live to 70 people or there's thousands of people, I take that very seriously, because I think, what can I share that will help someone else, and in a real way? And not that, like, I'm so tired of like the toxic positivity, the things that people are just saying it to say, or, like, don't worry, get through it, or be brave, you got this. Those are great things, but you have to apply those things, and you have to live those things. And the people that are sharing these things with you need to be living that life too, so that you know that, like, you're getting really good advice or leadership, or look for a mentor that truly, I always say, look for someone who's went through it. Like, for me as a business person, I'm self-made, meaning that I haven't taken a loan. I went from nothing to be a worldwide brand, and it And no amount of success should change you. And I think that's what attracted me to Oprah. You never go on to watch Oprah talking about like, and this is my house, and this is my yacht, and this is my cars, and I have this how many cars, and look at all my designer clothes. That's why I love her. She is successful, but she does not have to cram it down your throat and say, and that's why I don't do affiliates. I will share things I love, but I don't want to get paid for me sharing my favorite candle or those kind of things, because I want you to know it comes from a real place. I want more realness in this world. And so today, when in the planner group, a couple people were like, Teresa, thank you for mentoring us. You know what? I literally got off the live and I really thought about it. And then I even Googled, what is a mentor? And I was like, oh, I'm so deeply touched if that's how my community, my friends, because I always say we're connected. I believe in relationships, and especially when I go speak, I don't want to sell myself on me. Like, look how good I am. Look what I've done. Look, I want to sell you on you. And that's what it's about for me. That's why I, do a year-long course, is because I feel like as I'm trying so hard to give really great content that I know changes people's lives and holding people accountable, I know it changes my life too. And so I would love to know, please comment below, like, subscribe, comment, who's your mentor? What do you look for? Do you have a mentor? Have you had a mentor? And I would love to know your thoughts on this. So I hope you're having a great day. Thanks, everybody.